Municipal Corporation of Delhi Civic Centre is the tallest building in Delhi at 102 meters and 28 floors. The 28-storied MCD Civic Centre comprises 5 multi-storey blocks, with a total built-up floor area of approximately 116,000 square meters, excluding a 3-level basement parking facility for about 2,500 equivalent car unit, 7 entry and exit gates, 8 escalators, 43 passenger and service elevators and 100% power backup. It is near to Asaf Ali Road. MCD Civic Centre is surrounded by Tagore Road, Jawahar Lal Nehru Road, Vivekananda Road, and Zakir Hussain College. It was inaugurated in April 2010, after 15 years of delays, and MCD offices shifted from Delhi Town Hall in Chandni Chowk. Built at a cost of Rs 500 to 650 crore. The building was designed by architect Shirish Malpani. He is a visiting faculty at School of Planning and Architecture, New Delhi. The maintenance of the building has been outsourced to a private company for ₹8.33 crore per year.